ready for takeoff? Like a boss.
Oh, dude, you dropped your hat. Oh, dude.
That's my good hat too.
Well, that's a good idea. I'm gonna bring my good hat. That's a great idea. I'm gonna bring my best hat. Loving it. What do you think, buddy?
Oh, we got the mother load, lads. Let's go.
Woo! Give her, dude. Well, he's gonna have to. Whoa! That's thick right there.
Why did I come all the way down here?
That's thick. It just.
Wow,
it just.
a wincher.
Yeah, she's a wincher.
Yeah, lads, wincher out, because you're not going anywhere. Right side. Holy. Is she deep? That's up my kneecap. Is it really? Oh, yeah. What do you think? The popo is going to go further? No. Well, it will, because you dug out from there to there. Oh my goodness.
Hello, Mr. Tree.
Wow, just when we thought our ride was over, lads.
Never.
Don, how did you know this was here?
Because I went through with my Kodiak years ago and went, ooh, that looks bad. I made some of these around trails.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some old videos going back in this area.
That's interesting.
That some other guys we know have, I think.
I've only been on that trail 2 times.
Oh yeah?
That was the 3rd time, so I had no idea this was here because we come out the 401. Yeah! Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that shit! Oh, it's filling back in as you go. Hey Don, we're in low.
Whoa!
Yeah, that was a dead stop.
The entry was good.
Yep. Yeah, man. That was like the deadest stop I think that's ever happened to me. Pretty cool.
Look at that. Whoa.
Look at this shit.
That is gnarly.
Oh, this is gonna be hell to clean.
Well, you might as well get her dirty, you might as well do it right.
Yeah.
Just skimming the top off.
Dragging all the way.
Yeah, you're just making it nice, smoothing it out nicely. Yeah.
Just waiting for
That's some nice trowel work right there, bud. That's awesome. everything. It's hard on everything, buddy. I think I'm gonna burn right through it.
Don't see that down?
Yeah, I'll hit this and then I'll hit the next one.
That is really deep. So watch it. Oh. Did you even try to get stuck?
No.
He'll be all right here. This isn't even deep. Yeah. Hard bottom. Hard bottom.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's nothing crazy, but yeah. Oh yeah. Wash her off a bit. There, bud. Oh yeah.
What's Don gonna do there? I don't think that one's too bad. Oh, Donnie's in it! Donnie's in it!
Oh, this is not that bad.
Oh yeah? Look at the...
That's no, I was being as a joke.
I'll back up and then maybe you can hit.
If I can get this other wheel moving a bit, maybe. No.
Oh, I think you're into her, bud. Yeah, let's get that winch out.
Other side. Here, I got it. Yeah.
What's on the right side?
Yeah, like everybody else. Yours is on the other. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, we got a good hole here, bud. Okay.
Oh.
Have fun with that, bud.
Can you give her a good yank? I'm just kind of stuck in the. Oh.
Get those tires moving. There you go. Yeah, you're okay. That's good. Actually rides up higher on that side. What winch did you end up getting?
That's the Polaris 3500.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's a good winch.
So far, it's been good. I tell you though, that friggin' the synthetic rope, man. I'd never go back to cable. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it, man.
That's not too bad. You're on hard bottom there. Still pushing a lot of clay. Okay.
Hold on, hook it, and then I'll see if I can.
See if I can't get through the rest. Just throw her up here.
Want to leave it out?
Yeah, just throw her up.
Oh my lord. Wow. Oh gee. He's going for it. Okay.
You bypass?
No, I'm going through that. What's he doing? Is there more?
That way's fine.
This is the end, eh? Woo! Goggles on. Camera on. Whoa. Yeah, that's slippery. Your tires don't even grab. That's what I did earlier. It just pushes forward. Hold on to her, Brandon. Whoa. Oh, shit. Yeah! That's how you do it. Right on!
A little more speed, a little...
I cleaned it out.
What?
Yeah, I cleaned it out.
You cleaned her out pretty good. Well, I heard it back there. It sounded good.
I didn't even get that muddy. Those tires, they saved them right there. I don't know if I can say the same.
I took a stroll up. It's just a bunch of rutted stuff. There might be one more. I don't know if it's not like this though. No.
Let's try to make our way back to the truck if it's okay with you guys.
Yeah, let's turn around and work our way back. Yeah.
Well,
do you know?
Go this way.
I've never been all the way down this, so.
It comes out.
To the hydro lines again?
Yeah. And then you can make your way back out.
Oh yeah, okay.
All right.
And maybe we'll hit that one water hole again. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Get everything covered. Wow, I bet you this is just wicked soon. The rainy season comes. Oh shit! Woo! Oh, the ruts, eh? Oh, right on. Are you even stuck? Oh, you're high-sided?
At the back now. A winching wheel will go, a winching wheel will go. That's some thick stuff right there, boys. Yeah, it'll go around. I know. Look at that. That's a long way down, boys. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Oi.
Well, we got out. You mudded.
Mission accomplished. That's right, give her the car wash. Yeehaw. Yeah! Oh man, that's so much fun.
Yeah, I know. You wait till there's like two more feet of water in that.
Oh, be great.
And ice.
That's the excitement. I don't know if that's the rest of the excitement for today, but man, that was an awesome day. Sorry, we're doing a day. It's an awesome time for a few hours. Oh, wicked fall day. There's more rain coming. Holy frig, this is fun. There's a bunch of rain in the forecast coming up, so hopefully it's going to start making conditions here a little bit more mud friendly, if you know what I'm saying. But oh my god, that was so fun. That was awesome. Awesome. Yeah, buddy. Dude. That was fun. Oh. So that's it, boys. How's your road?